Knoxville Family Chiropractic offers gentle adjustments aimed at children. It relieves strain on the spine, bones, and joints, key to children's healthy growth. The cracking and popping that often accompanies chiropractor visits can be avoided with Dr. Bell. The clinic's therapy can promote healthy childhood growth and help children concentrate and focus better. After assessing a patient's medical history, Dr. Bell will create a customized treatment plan for the patient. Click the link in the description for more info.